And now you can see the front line little not perfect, like some net is coming extra outside, so we'll do perfect by zigzag scissor. So you wait, I'll show you. So you can see this scissor will do front line clear by this scissor. This zigzag scissor we need to perfect. We need no need any like straight hairline or front line, so we doing like by scissor, zigzag scissor we clearing now. So it's very nice scissor. So at the end, so you can see now I'm doing perfectly. So almost now I finish. I need little perfect. So almost I finish the zigzag scissor net cut. We need to little perfect. So almost done this. You can see the front line, it's like zigzag up down, because we no need any straight hairline front line, so we need to like zigzag front line. So now front line finishing class. So you can see we start now sticker procedure. So we'll applying sticker. So you can see the sticker we applying end of edge the net. We need to perfect. Almost done the front line sticker. So we'll applying now back side for by PU. Back side is PU base, front side is front lace. So we need to apply different sticker back side. So we need to apply red color sticker. So now almost done the front line. So we need to apply back side. So you can see we are applying back side sticker. Because when we do applying sticker, so we know which sticker suitable for client, because many client they applying different sticker. So we choosing the client which sticker is good for the client. So that we think and we are doing applying the sticker. procedure khalas. So we need to apply glue now. So this glue, ultra hot glue we are applying, because this glue is very safe. We will make one video about this glue, inshallah. If you not subscribe my channel, you can press the bell icon button, because if I upload the video, notification coming with your screen. So now you can see I smoothly applying the glue. So we'll update more videos and more information about hair fixing. So I am giving the my description hair fixing center link. You can visit there and you can ask there. They will suggest you what is good for you, and which hair is good for you, and what type method suitable for you. So now you can see I am applying backside glue. So now we done glue procedure. So we'll take a step next. Now we need to close the glue bottle, and now finish the glue procedure. So you can see we applying all like sticker, glue, everything we done, and front line also clear the net. So guys, we need to fix the hair system with client head now. So you can see now we are fixing the with client head. It's look like very natural and very like perfect. And you can see the back side, it's all like finishing and very natural. You can touch it like original and you feel very smooth and super. So you can touch anything, anywhere, you feel like natural. Nobody can identify the what procedure doing. So it's all like same natural. You can see I am fingering the client head. You can see we are applying different hairstyle, changing little different, because client requirement this hairstyle. So if you are doing, you choose your hairstyle. If you need any spiky, if you need normal, if you need officially, if you need long, you can do anything. So it's depend you whatever you choosing. So we'll see you inshallah next video. I'll back one new procedure and I'll explain about all hair fixing. So guys, I hope you like this video, and so I think you learn many things about hair fixing this video. So if you like anything, if you want this procedure, so you can ask any question in my comment box. I will suggest you. And if you are in UAE, I'll give my description hair fixing center link. You can visit there and ask there. You have problem, they will suggest you what is best for you. So I am the professional hair fixing technician and expert. So I have 10 years experience. So if you want to ask anything question, I'll explain you more videos how we are doing process, and what is good for you, what is bad for you, for about hair fixing, everything I'll explain you my future video. So see you and follow this Reborn style by Mr. Wali. So see you more videos. Bye.